Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Jackson H tax account. For this, guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, bring up the search bar and type in Jackson H Jack login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.jackson.com. Click on that link. It might take a while to load, so wait for it. You will be taken to the official website of Jackson H. Now, over here, you can see the login button. Just click on the login button to log in. Now, again you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page. Now, over here, you just need to enter your email address or username. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on the show button to see your password. In case if you forgot your username or email, just click on forgot username or email to recover your username or email. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. And once you click on the sign in button, you'll easily access your account. In case if you don't have any account of Jackson H Tax, just click on create an account, then you'll be able to create a new account. That's much for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.